India's digital payments revolution has transformed the way millions transact every day. At the heart of this shift is the Unified Payments Interface, which has completed 10 years of remarkable growth, redefining financial inclusion and setting global benchmarks in real-time payments. Here's a report on how the UPI is powering India's digital economy and shaping the future of payments.
The Indian economy has been digitalizing at a remarkable pace over the last decade. The country's digital payments ecosystem and a critical driver of financial inclusion, Unified Payments Interface (UPI) has completed 10 glorious years. A simultaneous expansion in both volume and value highlights UPI's deepening role in supporting high-frequency retail payments. Launched on 11th April 2016, UPI's annual transaction volume expanded from 2 crore transactions in financial year 2016-17 to over 24,162 crore transactions in fiscal year 2025-26. Transaction value rose from 0.07 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 2016-17 to approximately 314 lakh crore rupees in fiscal year 2025-26. The number of banks live on UPI increased from 44 banks in fiscal year 2016-17 to 703 banks by fiscal year 2025-26. Achieving global recognition, the International Monetary Fund in its June 2025 report acknowledged it has the world's largest real-time payment system by transaction volume. Marking a global benchmark in digital payments, India's UPI accounts for nearly 49% of the world's real-time payment transaction volume as of 2024. With over 66 crore transactions processed daily, UPI has surpassed global payment network, enabling cross-border payments. UPI is now operational in 8 countries worldwide. They are UAE, Singapore, France, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and Qatar. India is the world's 3rd largest digitalized economy, with digital platforms embedded in daily economic and social life. Growing fast, it is expected to touch $1 trillion by fiscal year 2029-30. India's digital economy to contribute 1/5 of national income by 2029-30. Built upon population scale, digital public infrastructure, and interoperable platforms, the country has demonstrated that technology can function as a public good, enhancing governance efficiency, expanding financial inclusion, and delivering welfare with transparency and scale. Bureau Report, DD India.